Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. As you can see today, we're not in the workshop as such, we're in my garage, and this is more of a safety warning really rather than a car repair, and it's all about the Avon or similar magnetic charging fitness watch. This is the usual sort. Typical watch. It's got a black face and you swipe it with your finger, although the batteries are dead. Right, this watch is from Avon, but I'm sure there's I'm sure this watch is made by other makes as well, or rebranded by other makes. The battery is flat at the moment, so it won't turn on, but you get your digital display for your heart rate, your steps taken, calories burnt, all that sort of stuff on the screen there. And when you turn it over on the back, you've got a magnetic charging point. Let's see if we can zoom down on that a little bit. There we go. It's got two metal contacts, and either side of them contacts there's a magnet which the charger sticks onto, and they're both got different. One's got a south pole, one's got a north pole, so the charger will only stick on one way for the charging. But the design flaw in this is when you put the charger on. See, this is the charger, or what's left of it, and when you stick it on, it only sticks on one way. So we'll turn it on that way. We'll zoom out a little bit. It's got two contacts, it's got two magnets on each side, and the two center pins, or what's left of them, contact the two metal plates on there for the charging. So when you tap it on, it sticks on there, only sticks one way. If you try and stick it on the other way, it pushes itself off because the magnets are opposed. So it clicks on there like that. But the safety flaw in this is on the back, on where these two contacts are. These two contacts are supposed to be on springy posts, and they stick out normally probably 1/16 of an inch, 2 or 3 mil, and so they spring in when you click it onto the watch. Now the downside of that is if it sticks to any other metal surface, it's going to short out those contacts. So if I say stuck it on this vise, it would stick on the vise nicely, and that's quite a firm contact. And if you imagine this end goes into your 5-volt USB, and with what's happened here is where it's been plugged into the wall, this socket has just been, I think it was attached to the cup holder in the kitchen. And as it's plonked down, it shorts out those two terminals, those two certain terminals, and the resulting heat has literally melted this plug. I don't know whether you can see that. Look at that. It has literally melted it. It must have got fairly hot. Now it's only 5 volt, so I don't know whether that would be hot enough to catch fire, but it certainly didn't do that plug a lot of good. And that's all from just plonking it down onto a metal surface and shorting those terminals out. So if you use one of these, with the magnetic charging, basically what you've got to do is remember to put this somewhere safe when it's not charging, or unplug the lead from the USB port. Otherwise I can see that someone's going to have a little fire or a bit of a meltdown, cause a bit of damage to something. Okay, that's all from me for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.